The ruling party ZANU-PF is set to expel 2 members of parliament linked to Chiwenga's faction. Is the ongoing power struggle between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Zarabira mashoko atinobuda panapa atiri kuona kuti panguva ino Malueli Sajinarera aiwa ari muparliament opinzwa busy. Panapa pane mahunga ari kutendera achinzi vakomana anytime they can be fired. Panguva ino sarabira mashoko mudanyo panapa kuti subscribe like on the bell kuti mino mudanyo pamuchinzi kuti East MP Benjamin Kanyiwa and Chirezi North MP Roy Bila are the two facing the X as part of Mnangagwa's broader strategy to consolidate power and eliminate potential challenges ahead of the 2028 elections. The Masvingo ZANU-PF provincial leadership is already signaled that Kanyiwa could vacate his seat, with party structures reportedly preparing for a by-election. Meetings have been held across various wards, including Chinyika, Mandeya, and Makulu, where local leaders informed supporters that Kanyiwa had been dismissed. However, the official stance from ZANU-PF Masvingo provincial chairman Rapson Mavhenyengwa is that Kanyiwa is merely under a 21-day prohibition order pending final disciplinary proceedings. The charges against him include failing to reprimand party supporters, attacking leadership in a WhatsApp group, holding unauthorized meetings, and allegedly promoting factionalism. Thomas Konamudanyo Papana Prince Vakomana Avarle Kuna General Pangwa ino yora Pangwa Koma, but Vanwano Zonkuya achizvityira zvavo with the regime with the ruling party ZANU-PF because they do not know the consequences actions avarikuda kuita. Kuti vakafaya vanapila ava havazi kutoignita chimoto here chinozogouya chichikonzeresa kuti vakomana vafaiwe kana kutoti kutokonzereswa chaos yangoitika kana muna 2017. Nekuti zemafungiro enyu noti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section mene musaona subscribe or like channel, turn on the bell icon.